In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Valorant in Windows, PC or laptop. Let's get started. First thing, just Google Valorant. We'll be having the official link playvalorant.com. Just click it and here you'll be having the play for free option. Click that. So here we must select the platform. We need to go with PC. We need to sign in with our Riot account. If you have one, just click on sign in. If you do not have one, just click on create one. You can also create an account with your Facebook, Google or Apple Xbox accounts. So once you have signed in, we will be having the download option over here. Just click it and the setup will be getting downloaded. This is around 71 MB in size. Once the download is complete, just open it. We will be getting this install option and it says around 27 GB, and here we are having advanced options. Select that. In case if you want to change the location where you want to install Valorant, you can click on browse and change it, because by default it's going to get installed in local disk C. If you are fine with that, just click on install. So here it's saying installing around 342 MB, so just be patient for a while. So after that you'll be getting this Riot Games interface. Here make sure that you are signing in with your Riot account. So once you sign in, you'll be having this install option over here. Just click it and again this will show you the install path. If you want to change it, you can, and create a desktop shortcut. I want that. If you want to change the language, you can click on the drop down and try changing it. Enable auto update, that's fine for me, and just click on install. So it will download and install and it's around 24 GB in size. Just be patient for a while. So once it is downloaded and installed, it will say your game requires a system restart to play. So we just need to restart our system. So after restarting, you'll be having the Valorant icon over here. Just open it. You'll be getting the Valorant game opened. If you already had an existing account, you'll be taken to the game matching interface. If you have created a new account, you'll be asked to do the training first. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Learn a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.